Hey guys, welcome back to IPM Talks. Many of you guys must be wondering that why my background is changed. It is because I am at home. Yes, finally I have completed my first year at IIM Jammu. So if I talk about my recent week, so I was in the Patni Top, which is the one of the most beautiful hill station in the Jammu and Kashmir. So it is a course which is added in the curriculum and everyone has to perform it. Okay. So for a motivation, I'll add some clips, some beautiful clips and the activities which we perform in the Patni Top. And guys, I can say you that we enjoyed a lot. I can say that it was the one of the most memorable and the best trip I can ever had. So moving further in this video, I'll tell you some tips which you guys need to keep in mind while appearing for the JIPMAT. JIPMAT is scheduled on the 6th of June, right? If I talk about the paper pattern on JIPMAT, 100 questions, 150 minutes, right? दूर से देखने में लगेगा कि बहुत easily है, बहुत doable है, हो जाएगा. But in reality, it is not, right? Because the level of difficulty is increasing year by year. The competition is increasing year by year. So आपको जो आपने हार्ड वर्क पुट इन किया है, दैट इज़ द ओनली थिंग विच विल मैटर. ओके, सो अब इन दिस वीडियो आई विल गिव यू द ईच टिप ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन, राइट? If I talk about my favorite section, which is VARC, so if I talk about the VARC, if you want to nail the VARC section of the JIPMAT, the one thing you need to conquer is a vocabulary. अगर तुमने vocabulary को अच्छे से conquer कर लिया है, you can easily nail the VARC section of JIPMAT, because 60 to 75% of that VARC section is from the vocabulary. Like it is the only vocabulary, the core vocabulary, and the like idioms and phrases, one word substitution, all these things are only the part of the vocabulary section of the VARC, right? And for this, we as a IPM Talks team has give you the compilation of all the vocabularies, and for this you guys can check the description and the link will be given in the description, right? If I talk about the second section, which is logical reasoning section, one thing you need to keep in mind that while you are attempting the logical reasoning section, especially caselets and the puzzles, प्लीज़ गो थ्रू द क्वेश्चन ट्वाइस. बिकॉज जब आप क्वेश्चन पढ़ते हो, सोचते हैं कैन आप किसी चीज़ को कुछ भी पढ़ सकते हो. दिस इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ द स्ट्रेस, दिस इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ द एनजाइटी विच यू विल फील वाइल सिटिंग इन द एग्जामिनेशन, राइट? तो स्पेशली DI में और पजल्स में उस क्वेश्चन को 2 बार पढ़ना, जस्ट टू थिंक कि हाँ जो आप सॉल्व कर रहे हो वो आप एकदम राइट सॉल्व कर रहे हो. ओके, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द कॉन्ट सेक्शन में इट इज़ ऑलवेज टोल्ड कि JIPMAT का में जो लेवल आएगा ना, दैट विल बी ऑफ योर क्लास 10th. Most of the questions will be of the class 10th level, but there will be the few questions which can come from the higher maths. At the same time, there will be the few questions which you guys need not to solve, because these questions will be very tricky at that particular point time. These going for that questions can be very dangerous for you, because वो questions that questions require a proper and a deep understanding of the concept. At the same time, it requires a lot of time. So उस time dynamics में, if you think that it is important to give time to this question, you can give, but always keep this in mind कि जब आपका पूरा पेपर हो जाता है एंड में, if you guys are left with some spare time, then you can go to that question. स्टार्टिंग में उस क्वेश्चन का डील मत करना. ओके, so guys, some generic tips for the JIPMAT which you guys need to keep in mind is that revisit all the concepts, all the formula sheets which you have made throughout your preparations. Second thing is that if you have gone through the compilation of the vocabulary material which IPM Talks has provided, this material can be proved very helpful to you, because उसमें सारे trending words, सारे frequently used words, सारे important idioms and phrases है that can come in your exams, right? There are high chances that all these material, all these words, all these idioms and phrases can be in your exam. Okay, so please go through from that compilation once more. Third thing is, प्लीज़ डू नॉट टेक एनी न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट्स, एनी न्यू टॉपिक्स राइट नाउ. जितना आपने पढ़ना था उतना आपने पढ़ लिया है. अभी आप किसी चीज़ न्यू टॉपिक लेके उसमें एनर्जी लगा के, इट विल नॉट गिव यू एनी गुड रिजल्ट्स, राइट? सो प्लीज़ अवॉइड डूइंग दैट. फोर्थ थिंग इज़ दैट डू नॉट ओवर स्ट्रेस. you have done a lot of hard work for this paper, and believe me, all the efforts you have put in your preparations will be worth. So guys, trust in your process, stay calm. I hope I'll see you in the campus very soon. Thank you.